Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about a superhero ingredient that alone is enough to grow your hair longer, stronger, and thicker, and if added to other ingredients, it increases their effectiveness too. It is coconut milk. I'll show you how to use it to make your hair grow longer, stronger, and thicker, so stay with me. Coconut milk hair mask. Take about 1/4 cup of coconut milk in a clean bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of honey to it and mix it well until you get a smooth mixture. Section your hair properly into 5 sections to ensure proper application of the mask. Then start by massaging the mixture and work it through your hair from root to tips. Coconut milk contains all the essential nutrients required for healthy hair, boosting your hair follicles and promoting hair growth. It's completely natural and is loaded with vitamins like niacin and folate, which improve the circulation of blood in your scalp. It also contains vitamin E and fats that fight damage and deeply condition your hair. Honey is a humectant, which means that it helps seal in moisture. When used in combination with coconut milk, it amplifies the milk's positive effects on your hair by sealing in moisture and nutrients. Massage your scalp for at least 1 to 2 minutes. When your scalp and hair is covered with this mixture, cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for 2 hours. Wash your hair after 2 hours with a regular shampoo and squeeze out excess water from the hair. Now it's time for the conditioner. Coconut Hair Leave-In Conditioner. Apply this natural leave-in conditioner to your hair lengths. Do not rub your hair, just apply this conditioner with gentle hands onto your hair lengths. High in fatty acids and vitamin E, coconut milk works to condition the hair deeply. This adds volume to your hair, makes it less greasy, and promotes longer, thicker hair, with that shine you've always wanted. Coconut milk can be used as it is as a leave-in conditioner. Leave it on for 25 minutes to work its magic and then wash your hair. This will make the hair soft and silky instantly. Follow this routine twice a week for at least 2 months and then see your hair transform. I hope you liked my video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!